Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to search for videos in your Gmail app. If you've ever struggled to find a video attachment in your emails, this updated method will streamline the process. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to search for videos. The Gmail app is designed to help you manage your emails efficiently, and finding specific attachments is one of its handy features. Next, click on the search bar located at the top of the screen. This is where you can type in keywords or phrases to filter through your emails. The search functionality in Gmail is powerful, allowing you to quickly locate what you need without scrolling through countless messages. Now, type in "attachment" into the search bar. This command tells Gmail to filter your emails and show only those that contain attachments. It's a great way to narrow down your search results and focus on emails that might have the videos you're looking for. After entering that command, it's time to choose videos from the options that appear. Depending on your device, you may see a drop-down menu or a set of filters right below the search bar. Selecting videos will refine your results even further, ensuring that only email threads with video attachments are displayed. Once you've completed these steps, you should see a list of emails that contain video files. You can now easily browse through them and find the specific video you're looking for. In summary, searching for videos in Gmail is straightforward. Open the app, click on the search bar, enter "Has attachment," and select videos from the options. This method not only saves time but also enhances your productivity by making it easier to access important video files. Thank you for joining this quick tutorial. Now you can efficiently find any videos sent to you via Gmail with just a few simple steps. Happy searching!